Welcome back, everyone. It's a good day today because we have a package with stuffs that we're gonna unbox. I know what it is, of course, but you don't know. But I'm gonna reveal it already. It's some Fender flares. It's Fender flares from Umeå Offroad. Uh, it's a Swedish company, and well, they gave me some candy as well, some screws, and let's get them out. There's 4 pieces. I'm just gonna get one out, and I will put the others on the floor. There's the other ones as well. So, as you see, it's some rubber Fender flares that I'm gonna put on my Jeep. They are about 70 millimeters wide from this edge to this part. Well, this is the part that goes onto the Jeep. There's also a metal wire inside that I assume it's a little bit longer. I assume you cut it off, and that should make it possible for you to shape it if you want. Yeah, exactly. It's definitely shapeable, which is good. It came with plenty of screws. I assume you just screw them onto your car. So it seems like the quality is good. I have nothing to say about that. Even though these ones are from a Swedish company, I'm have seen similar Fenders on eBay, and I assume the quality might be similar or, well, maybe different at some places. Um, Next up gonna be a video where I'm installing this and where I show how to do this. So thanks for watching, and I see you later.